tech lovers, the new Swatch and Audemars Piguet Royal Pop collection has just come out and is getting a lot of attention from people. But the real question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's break it all down. Let's start with its luxurious and design. Many fans love how the Royal Pop takes the ultra-serious vibe of the Royal Oak and turns it into something playful, colorful, and wearable for normal humans with normal financial wellness. It's like the Royal Oak went on vacation, drank 3 energy drinks, and decided to become an art student. Is it creative instead of predictable? Many collectors expected a lazy moon swatch-style copy, but were surprised by the pocket watch pendant concept inspired by vintage pop swatches from the 1980s. They respected the risk. What about the mechanical movement that impressed enthusiasts? Watch enthusiasts appreciated that Swatch used a hand-wound System F1 movement instead of cheap quartz. That gave the release more credibility among hobbyists. Collectors started with plastic nonsense and ended with, okay, but 90 hours is kinda nice. Does it make luxury watches less intimidating? Some users praised the collaboration for letting younger fans experience Royal Oak-inspired design without needing 40,000 euros and a mysterious relationship with an AD. Finally, a way to feel emotionally connected to a 40,000 euros watch while spending grocery money instead. When it comes to its hype, that is absolutely insane. The lines outside stores proved Swatch still knows how to create cultural chaos. Some people camped for days just to buy one. Yeah, let's talk now about what could be considered as negative points on these watches. Critics think the colorful bioceramic design cheapens the legendary Royal Oak aesthetic. Some users repeatedly compared it to toys. Are luxury purists emotionally damaged? Many traditional AP collectors feel the collaboration cheapens the exclusivity of the Royal Oak. What about people wanted a wristwatch, not jewelry? A lot of fans expected a moon swatch-style Royal Oak wristwatch. Instead, they got a pendant-style pocket watch, which confused many buyers. Half of users said, cool watch. The other half said, wait, where's the strap? Overall, the watch world is basically split into 2 groups right now. Group A, this is fun, creative, and good for watch culture. And Group B, Gerald Genta is spinning at 28,800 vibrations per hour. Honestly, that controversy is probably exactly what Swatch wanted. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.